I've done this setting up. Here's a quick setup I did in Galveston. And I've done these things all over the country, and I've done them next to rivers and lakes and ponds, and it doesn't make any difference. If you set it up correctly, the birds will come to your water. And so, and it doesn't have to be very fancy. In this photo, all this is a bucket with a piece of plywood on top, and I put some sticks around the plywood and some rocks, and then laid a little piece of pond liner on top of that, just to create an indention with the water.